I'm going to teach you guys today how to glaze large objects. In this case, I'm going to do a large bowl. The most important thing about glazing large objects is you always want to do the inside first. That's because it's just easier. It's just a lot easier. So what I did is I waxed the bottom of this because it's not a deep enough foot for me to glaze it. I let the wax dry. I mixed up my glaze, which I'm choosing to do nutmeg, and then I have my pitcher here. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pitcher, fill it up, and I'm going to pour it in there. That took me about 1 second to pour it in there. Most of you try to take forever to pour it in. And then what you do is you start here, and then you go across very gently. You slowly pour it over, like that. Okay. Okay. There it is. And these kind of drips, they look pretty kind of good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the inside dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the outside. I'll just have you keep recording it. It'll be kind of fast. So with large bowls though, when you flip it upside down, you want to make sure when you're glazing it, your arm isn't touching the side, because it'll leave a nasty mark on it. Another tip, whenever you're glazing anything, don't ever flip your glazed object after you glaze the rim of it. Never flip it upside down on a hard surface like this, because it will chip the rim. So whenever I'm wiping the inside of it, I do it like this when I wipe it. So generally you want to get a larger surface. Actually, just watch where I'm going. You can just record me still. Up here, this is what you use when you record large bowls. Then what I do is I put my shirt up here, I grab it, and I generally like to have another person watching me to see if I get the other side, because sometimes you miss.